Alright, so we are in Mandeville. We just came off Caledonia Road. We're heading into the town center, Mandeville Town Center. But first of all, guys, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush, the Discover Boss. So we are back in Mandeville today, just doing a quick drive around the town. Just showing you guys what's happening in Mandeville. No, we already come this side, so taking this opportunity to definitely keep you guys updated. If you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is completely free, so just click that subscribe button and turn it gray and be a part of the Roshain Reviews family. Remember to like the video, remember to share the video, and remember to leave a comment as well. So we're heading into the town center. We're getting close to the police station, where the park is. So it's just a quick drive around the town of Mandeville. Alright, so drive along, guys, drive along. And again, a big welcome to all the new subscribers on the channel. The channel wouldn't have been possible without the new persons joining, and also the foundation persons that always support, always watch a video, always share a video or comment on a video as well. And if you're thinking about donating, we have PayPal and other options in terms of how you can donate to the channel. And as usual, if you're from Mandeville, let us know. Let us know in the comment section. So we're just outside of the Mandeville police station. But let us know in the comment section if you're from Mandeville, if you're from Manchester. So we can give you a big up. So this is the main town center where the park is, the police station, different plazas, the taxi stands. So I see persons wearing their mask. Alright, guys, so let's take a little drive around the Mandeville town. Alright, so we're just outside of the Mandeville Revenue Service Center. That's the Mandeville Tax Office or Mandeville Revenue Center. The hospital is also close by here. So I'll take a right turn right here. And then we'll be passing the hospital. Alright, so it's the Mandeville Regional Hospital. That's on the right coming up. So the Mandeville Regional Hospital. And we're on Caledonia Road. And then we have Midway Mall on the left. Let's just take a quick look over there and then return to Caledonia Road. There's quite a few shops on this mall. Super Plus, Island Grill, Fashion Statement, other fashion and clothes store, Shipwise Courier Service, Dollar Financial Loans. So quite a few different shops on this plaza. Vegas Gaming. Alright guys, so leave a comment if you've ever been to this mall. Let us know in the comment section. I think this is one of the few Super Plus that's left. Most of the other branches were bought out either by Progressive Grocers or Shoppers Fair. So Midway Mall, let me know if you've ever been over here. If you're from Mandeville, let me know. Alright, so let's take another drive around, then we go back onto Caledonia Road. So Midway Mall. So again guys, thanks for watching thus far. Thanks for clicking on this video. And if you haven't subscribed before and just subscribe, thanks for subscribing as well. So this was a drive around the Mandeville Town Center, and then we came back onto Caledonia Road. We went onto Midway Mall, and basically we'll end the video here. So thanks for all the support guys, whether you're new or your foundation, thanks for the support.